Go ahead and go to your reading notebook, and you're going to want to open to a clean page in the workbook, and we are going to create a text features chart. So on the left side of your chart, you are going to label this column text feature. Oops, sorry. And then on the right hand side of your chart, we are going to put purpose. So text feature and purpose. So let's go ahead and look at some of the text features that we came across already in this book that we've been reading, The Power of Advertising. So one of the features that we noticed early on is a table of contents. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add that to my list. So I'm going to write table of contents, and then the purpose of a table of contents is to help you locate information in the text. So I'm going to add that in there. And then another feature that I know that we talked about are these things in bold. Advertising, what's the issue? And then if you look down here, it says different views, and we call these things, we'll call headings. So we're going to go ahead and add that as a text feature. And the purpose of a heading is to tell what the section is about. So I'm going to put tells the reader what the section is about. Also going to notice that we have words like logos here in bold. So another text feature I'm going to add, bold words and italic words. And the purpose of putting words in bold or in italics is to draw attention to important words. I'm also going to put vocab words in parentheses because a lot of times in your textbooks or other reading, those words in bold are usually vocabulary words associated with the units. So looking at the 2 pages that we read, I also want to make sure that I mention, this box in blue, this did you know box. So I am going to call that, what do we want to call that? Let's call that, well, I guess we don't have to add that. Let's go ahead and call that just a text box. And the purpose of that is to give extra or bonus information related to the topic. And then the last thing I want to add that I know that we looked at is a photograph, and then the caption here at the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and put photo as 2 different things. Photograph, and the purpose of a photograph is to illustrate something about the text. Or topic. Sorry. And then I want to add, the last one I want to add is a caption. And a caption explains the photo. So go ahead and make sure that you have this chart in your notebook, and we will be referring back to it through this unit. and probably adding some more text features to it.